Welcome to Focus English with Cece. Hi there. Welcome to my English storytelling podcast. Today's story is My Quiet Self-Care Day. Ready? Let's begin. My day begins softly. I wake up with no alarm, no loud noise. The sun shines gently through my curtains. My room feels quiet and safe. I open my eyes slowly. I listen to the sounds outside. Birds are singing. Leaves move in the wind. I stay in bed for a few extra minutes. I stretch my arms high over my head. I take a slow, deep breath. I smile and whisper, "Good morning, me." There is no rush, no meetings, no plans, just me and this peaceful start. Next, I get out of bed slowly. My feet touch the cool floor. I walk to the kitchen. It feels quiet and calm. I open the window just a little. Fresh morning air comes in. It smells clean and new. I make my favorite simple breakfast. I toast 2 slices of bread. I wash fresh strawberries. I peel a banana and place it on a small plate. I make warm cocoa in my favorite mug. The chocolate smell fills the air. It feels cozy. I sit at the table near the window. I take a bite of toast, a sip of cocoa. I watch the light outside. I don't check my phone. I don't think about work. Just eating slowly. After breakfast, I want to care for myself. No hurry, no chores. Just quiet self-care. I light a small vanilla candle. Its soft flame dances. The room smells warm and sweet. I play gentle music on my phone. Soft guitar and piano. I wash my face with warm water. I use a gentle soap. I massage slowly. Then I put on moisturizer. I take my time. My skin feels soft and happy. I sit on a pillow on the floor. I close my eyes. I take 5 slow breaths. I let my shoulders relax. I don't think about work. Just being here. Feeling fresh, I choose to do something I love. I pick up my favorite book. It's a story I know well. I sit on my soft sofa. I wrap myself in my blue blanket with little white stars. It feels like a hug. I open my book slowly. I read a few pages. No rush. Sometimes I pause. I look out the window. I see the trees moving in the breeze. I underline sentences I like. I whisper, "I love this part." It's not about finishing. It's about enjoying. Just me, my book, this quiet moment. After reading, I want to write. I take my small notebook. It has a soft cover. I pick up my favorite pen. I sit back at the table near the window. I open to a blank page. I look outside and see the bright morning light. I start to write. Not about work. Not about plans. Just simple thoughts. I write how the cocoa smelled. How my book made me smile. How the air feels fresh. I don't worry about mistakes. I just let the words flow. When I finish, I read what I wrote. I feel happy and light. I close my notebook and take a deep breath. I look around my room. It's my space. I want it to feel calm and lovely. I stand up slowly. I pick up my blanket and fold it neatly. I place my book back on the shelf. I wipe the table with a soft cloth. It looks clean and bright. I move the candle to the corner of the table. It still smells sweet. I open the window wider. Fresh air moves through the room. Curtains wave gently. I water my small green plant. Its leaves look happy. I whisper, "Thank you for growing." I step back and smile. My space feels warm. It feels like me. Now my morning is almost over. I stand by the window. I look outside at the bright day. I see people walking. Birds fly across the sky. Children laugh in the distance. I take one last deep breath. I feel calm inside. I think about my morning. Slow waking, simple breakfast, gentle self-care, reading, writing, caring for my space. No rush, no work, just time for me. I smile at my reflection in the window. I whisper, "Thank you for this morning." Because sometimes the best gift is giving myself time. Quiet, slow, kind time. I hope this story helps you relax and learn. Remember, even small things like breakfast, music, or quiet breathing can be self-care. You deserve peaceful mornings too. Thank you for spending this day with me. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.